Okay, now that I have my triggers created, I can start consuming and using the triggers from the summary card or procedures, any place that you can access the patient file. In this example, I'm going to use the same recipient mirror. I'm going to go to the summary card. And if you notice, we have two reminders over here, which I'm going to clean. I'm going to delete these two reminders, just so I start with a clean slate. Okay, now the reminders are gone. I'm going to use my triggers. This is a recipient mirror. I'm going to do a preg check, pregnancy shots. So for brood mares, I could consider the last breeding day, or for the recipient mares, I could consider the embryo transfer. Important that by default, the target date that you use, whatever it is, the last breeding day or a preg check, it's important that you keep in mind that the period for your future reminders are going to be based on that target date. So the wise option is going to suggest today as the target date, but if it was, for example, last week on Thursday, you can use a target date in the past as well as in the future. Now, from this date, it's going to add these periods and put all these reminders, 7 events for the pregnancy shots, calculating from this date on. Another thing that you have to notice is that it is possible for triggers events to be set as done or undone. In wise option, undone will be future reminders, and done are considered final procedures or charges already entered into the patient file. So I'm ready to go here. I select the pregnancy shot. I determine my target date. Next, I just need to click on generate, confirm the target date. And just like that, if I go back to my summary card and I click to refresh the button to for the summary card, you're gonna see that now I have all my reminders in the future dates set for that particular mirror. If you want to see this in a larger view, you just click on your procedures or add a reminder, go to procedures. This is going to take me to the split screen. And here we are going to the split screen. You're going to see in a better view here the future reminders. If you want to see this even larger, you can click on this label link here, which is going to open exactly the same list but with more view. So here we are, the 7 reminders for future dates. Okay, so this was going from triggers in the summary card. Likewise, suppose that I have a foal. I'm going to pretend that this one here is a foal. It's not the case, the date is different. But in any case, if you go to any particular horse file, just go also, the first one I was doing from the summary card, I would like to show you that it's possible also to do here from the split screen in the procedure reminder. So when I click triggers, I'm going to use my foal shots, and I'm going to say that it was yesterday for my target day, that the foal was born yesterday. So I have created a deworm event for future undone 1, 2, 3, 4 months from the target date. As soon as I generate, confirm the date. If I go back to the file, so right here, you're going to see my 4 deworms in a future date. Of course, this is not true because this is not a foal. I was just showing you how to do this. I can simply delete all of them by this click. One extra information I'd like to provide you before I finish this session is to tell you that when you have reminders in WISE option, prices are not set. So it's intentional. So we don't have any prices set for reminders. And the reason for that is because at the time when you have the reminder in the file, the price has not been calculated. Only when you set as done or you set as done now, it's that the system is going to, when you transfer to this side, it's when it's going to assume the price on the day that you are converting a reminder into a procedure performed. So today you've learned how to consume your triggers from the triggers module in WISE option. Thanks for watching.